Grabbed this off of Google Maps, and I'm pretty sure this is the place we went to. I should have taken a picture outside, but at the time it had this Japanese type looking plant outside, which I thought was really cool. But man, they got fresh seafood and fresh water food, like the turtles, the frogs. Look at these oysters. Man, that is just incredible. I love these type of restaurants. Fresh fish right there, ready to be cooked up. And look at this, lobster. My goodness, that looks good. And if you're into snails, I'm telling you what, they've got snails, large all the way to small. And look at this. Those are bananas that have been fermented and made into banana whiskey, which, by the way, love drinking with these wonderful group of people right here. Let's check out this video. Okay, here we go. I think I'm videotaping it right this time. I'm going to get my shot of whiskey right here. And how do you say bon? Yo! Whoa, yo! Here we go.
Chase it with the beer. Helps it go down smoother.
Oh yeah, let's chase it with a beer. Let's chase it with a beer.
Eye of the tiger.
Oh my God. Yeah, that is Tiger beer. And I'm definitely getting Eye of the Tiger. And that's my second shot of whiskey, by the way. And we haven't even headed back to the hotel to book our flight yet.
Those are rookie numbers, man. You gotta pump those numbers up. I'm on number 5 right now.
Rookie numbers? Dude, I'm drinking more beer than you are.
Dude, which does more damage, whiskey or beer?
You're the hard liquor drinker, not me. Be lucky I even had 2, and I'm still able to...
This is true, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Look at this guy.
Okay.
That's a face of a hard liquor drinker, man.
No, this is the face of a half Irish, half Korean. So
Half Irish, half Korean?
half Korean. The 2 top drinking societies in the world.
I've got a little bit of an Irish in me too. I have no idea what I'm talking about. Never except so. Yeah, and these are the locals right here. Oh my goodness, look at that! Super, and the hot pot. Love it. Hey, thanks for watching, and I will see you on the flip side. Take it easy.